Hello guys, this is the new Naim Nova Power Edition. Has a built-in streamer. It's a integrated amplifier with built-in streamer. Has a 5-inch display here as we can see. USB input, headphones. The logo, the white one, is in front. So this is the product. Class D amplification here, first time from Naim that we have something like this. On the top we have this very well known adjustment or jog, or that we have seen this in Muso lineup. On the sides we have the heatsink. It's 150 watts. AirPlay 2, Chromecast, Rune Ready, Bluetooth, IPTX, HD, UPnP. You can stream, you can make multi-room systems. On the back we can see the terminals for the speakers, two pairs, left and right. It's with plugs, it's not screws. Here we have Ethernet connection, two analog inputs with one DIN for 5 pins here. Input, two inputs here we can see, analog 1 and 2 here, DIN ones. This is outputs here. We can see HDMI with ARC to connect our television. And on the digital inputs side we have two opticals, one IES EBU and one pair of coaxial inputs. So this is the back side of the new Nova Power Edition of the Uniti lineup, Uniti series from Naim. It's a heavy product. It costs around 10,000 euros. It's not something light, it's very heavy if you lift it. So the menus are here. You can control the device with a remote control, but with an app as well, the Focal Naim app, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, radio. So the display, it's not touched one. So in order to play around with this we need the remote control for sure. So it's just been announced at the end of January of 2024. I like this approach here, very convenient, very refreshing. Naim is using it, this approach, to other products as well. The finish you see here is it's not aluminum, it's steel, to provide stability, you know, and get away of the interferences. It's booting, needs some time to boot the product. We're taking one more look. So it's very versatile, it's like all in one. It needs headphones or powered speakers or speakers to listen to it. Bluetooth here, but you see you cannot touch it. Presets to memorize sources. Here you play. So that's all, folks. This is the Nova Power Edition from Naim.